Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will prepare a typical dish of my country. Let's start.
The next dish, you need following ingredients. For example, 4 pounds of meat of pork, and one banana, a few of coriander, and one or 2 pounds of potatoes, pastusa, one avocado, a head of onion, 2 tomatoes, one cucumber, one lemon, a carrot, a head of celery, 7 chorizos, a cup of ají, it's chili, the same of chili. First, fry the meat of pork and chorizo on the grill. You need 1 liter of water, 3 or 4 pounds of potatoes, and a few salt. Now let's put the banana into the oven. About 30 minutes and 240 degrees Celsius. Now I will make the salad. You need the chop and mix all ingredients. For example, carrots in slices, carrot chop, lettuce chop in slices, cucumber in slices, tomato chops, and onion. Finally, we add a dressing. You mix. Finally, this dish is a very delicious in my country. The meat fried and the chorizo is very delicious. Banana fried and potatoes, the salted potatoes, a beautiful salad. It's very appetizing in my country. Bye!